Hello, my name is Diego Andrés Rodríguez Quintero. The last trip at hand was to Santa Marta. I went with my family, my two sisters, my mom, and my girlfriend. And we last 3 days. The first day we left very early to be in the sea. I ate something on the beach and it was bad for me. After 2 hours swimming, then we went to eat fish. Then about last sun and night we went out to hamburgers and view was very nice. For an upcoming vacation, I would like to go to Montpos. I have heard it is a good place for vacation. I hope I can go with my family and my girlfriend to new adventures. Thank you.